Fill in the blanks with suitable active and passive verb forms. This house dash in 1970 by my grandfather. This house was built in 1970 by my grandfather. The robbers dash by the police. The robbers have been arrested by the police. We dash for the examination. We are preparing for the examination. It dash since yesterday. It has been raining since yesterday. I dash for 5 hours. I have been working for 5 hours. The students dash to submit their reports by the end of this week. The students are asked to submit their reports by the end of this week. She dash for a while. She has been ailing for a while. The teacher dashed the student for lying. The teacher punished the student for lying. I dash to become a successful writer. I have always wanted to become a successful writer. The inmates of the juvenile home dash well by their caretakers. The inmates of the juvenile home were not being treated well by their caretakers. As the patient could not walk, he dashed home in a wheelchair. He was carried home in a wheelchair. The injured dashed to the hospital in an ambulance. The injured were taken to the hospital in an ambulance.